Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. Ihdina. Repeat after me. Ihdina. Ihdina. As-sirat. As-sirat. Again. Ihdina. Ihdina. As-sirat. As-sirat. Ihdina. Ihdina. I can't hear you. As-sirat. As-sirat. Very good. Let's combine them together. Ihdina as-sirat. Ihdina as-sirat. Again. Ihdina as-sirat. Ihdina as-sirat. For the last time. Ihdina as-sirat. Ihdina as-sirat. Excellent. One day, the teacher announced to the letter's friends, "We are going to the zoo. How about you, you? We are going to the zoo. How about you, you? All the letter friends were jumping with joy when they heard this. The teacher asked all letters to wear their fatha hat to cover themselves from the sun. They all said in a chorus, "We are already wearing it," and started singing this song.
Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Tongue has many, jewel from the tip. Sa, the, va, da, da, do, za, sa, so, la, na, ro. From its middle are ja, sha, ya. From its edges are do, ke, ho. 6 from the throat, a, ha, ha, wa, ha.
First, I will recite to you the word for this lesson, ta-ra. Now, make sure that you make a note of this, that many a times there are many people who may make mistake by pronouncing ta-ra. Ta is stretching it too much. You have to say ta-ra. Or some people might say ta-ra. Again, that is wrong. Now, listen to me carefully, the proper pronunciation. Ta-ra. 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 Excellent. Now, if you look at the word ta means see. Have you seen? Tara, seen. You see. We take the next word, ma'a. Ma'a. Don't say ma'a. And also don't say ma'a. Both of them are wrong. But say ma'a. Ma'a. And it means with. With. Ma'a means with. Laka. 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 Don't recite laka or laka. Both of them are wrong. But instead recite it laka. Laka. It means for you. Now we take the next word, balagha. Balagha. Do not recite balagha. No, it's wrong. Balagha. Or some people might make a mistake by saying balagha. And they might also make a mistake balagha. 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 He reached. He reached. We take the next word now. ذهب. 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 Do not recite ذهب. 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 No. ذهب. ذهب. ذهب means he went. We take the next word. ترك. 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 Wrong. ترك. Wrong. ترك. Again wrong. But the correct one is ترك. Again, the correct one is ترك. It means he left. Well, we take the next word now. معك. 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 Wrong. معك. Wrong. معك. Again, it's wrong. The correct one is معك. معك. It means with you. معك means with you. The next word we have is كفر. كفر. Do not recite كفار, or do not recite كفر, or do not recite كفرا. All of them are wrong. The correct one is كفر. كفر. You're doing a very good job. Now, you know the meaning of it? Well, it means he disbelieved. The next word is أخذ. 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 Wrong, because you have stretched too much. Oops, you stretch the kha too much. The too much. That's wrong. أخذ. That's the correct one. Again, listen to the correct one. أخذ. أخذ means he took. أخذ means he took. Fantastic. Let's go to the next word now. جعل. 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 Wrong. جعل. Again, it's wrong. جعل. That is also wrong. But the correct one is جعل. Listen to me carefully. جعل. 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 Very good. And جعل means he made. جعل means he made. Wow. The next word, we just add wa to جعل and say وجعل. 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 Wrong. وجعل. Right. وجعل. And وجعل means and he made. وجعل. وجعل means he made. The next word we have is خلق. 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 Wrong. That's not right. خلق. That is also not right. خلق. That is wrong. But the correct one is خلق. خلق. What is it? خلق. Excellent. Now, the meaning of خلق is he created. خلق means he created. MashaAllah. Children, that was wonderful. Let's learn how to write Arabic because it's a lot of fun and it's different. But you got to be careful though, because a little mistake can make a big change in meanings. So let's take the challenge and learn. Let me show you how to write the first word in our lesson today, which is tara. Let me grab my board and let me grab my marker. So I'm going to start with ta. So let me start with my ta, and those are my two dots, and that's my fatha ta, and that's my ra, and that's the fatha ta ra. Watch me again. I'm going to write this ta, and then I have the fatha and the ra and the fatha, that is ra, ta ra. Now it's your turn, children. Why don't you take a pen and a paper and write with me? So start, write the ta and the fatha and the ra and this. That's our first word. Let's take the next word, which is ma'a. Well, the first word was tara. The second word we have is ma'a. So let me start with my ma, and that's my ma. The a starts like that, and I go all the way down like that. I have a, ma-a. Watch me again. I write ma. That's the fatha, ma-a. It's your turn. Why don't you take a pen and a paper and write with me? Ma, the fatha, and the a, and come down all the way, and the fatha. Excellent. Now, the third word in our lesson today is laka. But I'm not going to show you that. Why don't you take up the challenge and write on your own? Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah. Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Hayya ala salati, hayya ala al-falah. قد قامت الصلاة, قد قامت الصلاة. الله أكبر, الله أكبر. لا إله إلا الله. Wow! Isn't this something that we hear before we start the salah? Of course it is. And wouldn't you be interested to know what it means? Well, in order for us to understand, we have to learn Arabic. So come with me and learn Arabic with actions. Lahu means for him. Lahum means for them. Lahu for him. Lahum for them. Again, lahu for him. Lahum for them. Repeat after me in Arabic. Lahu lahum. Lahu lahum. Again, lahu lahum. Lahu lahum. Again, lahu lahum. Lahu lahum. Excellent. Now repeat with me. I will go slowly. Lahu lahum. Lahu lahum. Lahu lahum. Lahu lahum. Last time. Lahu lahum. Excellent. MashaAllah. That was wonderful. Wow, children. I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time. And I'm sure that all of us we'll see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.